Hi, it's Bob here. It's May 1st, 2020. We're in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic, and I thought for something to do, I would do 31 songs over the next 31 days of May here, and just to give me something to do and to populate my channel a little bit, and sing some songs from various genres and different eras. And they're songs that I've liked to play, that I've liked playing for a long time. Me and my friends generally play them a lot. So tonight I'd start with a song called Bird on a Wire. And it was written and recorded by Leonard Cohen. And it's been recorded by quite a few artists over the years, from Tom Cochrane and Red Ryder all the way to Johnny Cash. So hope you enjoy it. Here it goes. Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk in a midnight choir. I have tried in my way to be free. Like a worm on a hook, like a knight in some old-fashioned book. I have saved all my ribbons for you. And if I've been unkind, well, I hope you just let it pass on by. Like a baby still born. Like a beast with his horn. I have torn everyone reached down to me. And I saw a beggar, he was leaning on his wooden crutch. And he said to me, Bob, don't you ask for so much. Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk in a midnight choir. I have tried in my way to be free. Okay, see you tomorrow.